Hey friend, in this video, I have some big and exciting news to announce with you. Drum roll, please. We're moving! Yay! So if you didn't know, this is my kitchen. We film in our kitchen / living room. We have lived here for about a year and a half. A little over a year and a half. We love this neighborhood in Southern California. So we are staying in the same neighborhood and just actually moving a hop, skip, and a jump over a few streets to a new house that we bought. And one of the main things that I'm really excited about with this new house is that it has a detached studio. So it's a dedicated space. It was actually a garage, so whatever size garages are. Converted into a living space. We're super excited about that because, as you can maybe imagine, filming in your kitchen and living room means you can't leave your film gear, and we have a lot of huge lights and cameras and microphones that takes a lot of setup and a lot of tear down, and it gets quite annoying, mainly for John, to set up and tear down every time we film. And also having a toddler around is dangerous with the expensive film gear. So we're very, very excited. We're going to be, this space is kind of going to be like a blank slate. It's got all of the bones there, but the studio and the main house we're going to be renovating over time. So stay tuned. We're going to take you along the progress or process of renovating the studio from start to finish. So we're going to show you very soon what the studio looks like currently. So without all of the changes that we've done, we're going to, probably tear out the floors, paint the walls, change the kitchen completely and all of that. So make sure you follow along with that. I love following along with that kind of stuff. The before and after stuff is so fun. And obviously I'll also be posting some behind the scenes stuff on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me at Jenna Rainey on there. But there's the big news. We move from the time that we're filming this video, we move next Friday. Today's Wednesday. So 9 days. We move in 9 days. So everything is getting buttoned up. We have the movers scheduled. We have still yet to pack. And John is going out of town this weekend. But stay tuned for all the fun behind the scenes stuff. We're excited. I hope you're excited. I can't wait to be filled with inspiration in this new, beautiful studio space that we have. So that's the big news. But today is our final day filming in the old studio, the current studio. We've had so many good times here. We've obviously filmed some bangers on this YouTube channel, like the Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor, 10 Easy Flowers.
Not that video.
We didn't film it in here?
No.
Like the Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor.
Tree series, some epic florals, realistic rose, sunflower, poppies, 5 reasons art went bad to good. We made paint here, how to paint anything with watercolor.
Take it away, John. We did it right here on this island in our kitchen and a bunch of other ones. Amazing videos that really took off and helped really grow our channel, and then also you guys grow in your watercolor journey. So we've had a lot of excellent, really good memories here and filmed some awesome tutorials here. And the studio upstairs where I actually work, and where John edits the videos and where I answer emails, I take my meetings, I actually paint for my licensing jobs and stuff, is upstairs, and it is a hot box. It is a small room upstairs. It does get great light, so it's been awesome. An awesome space, but we are definitely bursting at the seams and ready for a bigger space to include the filming studio in the work studio as well. So, and also to have air conditioning that works in our studio space because we sweat every single day upstairs. It gets so hot. So we're very, very excited. That is the big news, but kind of a little bit of a tear, but mostly just a happy tear that we are moving on to bigger and better things. But a little bit of a tear because we've loved living here. We've loved filming here. We've loved working here in this house, but it is time to say goodbye. Stay tuned. More to come on that. Lots more videos showing you the process and all of that. Just wish us luck. with packing and moving and all that goes into that this weekend. So with all of that said, I will see you again very soon from the new studio.